.217 Speedweek John with the Carbinite 496, one of the most incredible looking vehicles I've seen out here for a long time. Tell me about the car. What makes this car tick?
It has a 540 cubic inch Chevy architecture, dark block, dart heads, twin turbo, ice water intercooled. Has a turbo 400 transmission, a Streamliner rear end, and we patterned our aerodynamics off of various cars like Craig Breedlove's successful drag cars, and we're running a Holley EFI on methanol this year, a little upgrade from last year's gasoline, and we're trying to get over 400 miles an hour. Had a few gremlins in the salt with the front suspension and the angry header, but feel they're under control. We're learning the software better, and Holley's been a big help for us.
Alrighty, it looks like it's going 400 standing still. Other than Holley, great sponsor, who do you get for sponsors and crew that help you get out here?
Well, Carbinite Metal Coatings is Rob Freivogel's company. He works with Andy Hickman. Also, Brandon Barnhart, he's a crew chief. He couldn't be here this weekend, so we have great help and support from Cummins as well. Jessel Drivetrain has been very helpful, and just a lot of volunteer crew.
Alrighty, and how fast again have you gone, and what's your target speed?
Well, 371 was our out-the-door speed on the first run. We'd really like to get up to that 417 to get in the AA fuel blown Streamliner record book and get back to impound.
Alrighty, well, good luck, go fast, and be safe.
Thank you.
Lots of divots in the fall. Copy that.
Tell the speed tower to and let me know how he does. I'd appreciate it. I will let you know, Debbie.